crafty friends. Happy June. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. DJ here, and it's a new month, and that means a new kit, and I'm super excited to present this one. This is going to be super fun. It's going to be a little different. You can do it mini, you can do it maxi, you can do it any way you want, and it's going to be art journal style. So what I'm giving you is a lot of colorful papers to choose from, and you'll see as we go through the videos, we're going to do a bunch of different techniques and different things to kind of give you that art journal feel. So if you're a beginner and you're kind of a little intimidated in creating your own backgrounds, I provided you with some backgrounds that you can use as backgrounds or that you can use to cut up, and we'll use them in different techniques, like I said, throughout the month so that we can get an art journal feel that's, you know, your own style, but with a little help to kind of move it along, right? And then as you grow in your techniques, you can start to make your own backgrounds. And if you're someone who already makes your own backgrounds, then hopefully you can make backgrounds that will complement the set that I'm giving you. But this is just a fun, colorful burst of vibrance and, I don't know, happiness. So here's what you get in the kit. That's what this video is. And then the videos throughout the month will walk us through some techniques. I'm gonna personally do a mini journal, and I might do some backgrounds in some of my other journals using this paper, but we'll see how it goes. No promises yet, but except for I am gonna do a mini journal, and I'll show you the pages that I'm gonna use. Okay, so what you get is, there's a lot of pages, so don't feel like you need to actually print all of these pages, because I gave you a lot so you can pick your favorites, print out the ones you want, and then you'll have them. You can store them, and then if you want to print them out for other projects, they're there, right? Okay, so the first thing you get is 14 full-size sheets of these mixed media backgrounds that are colorful and fun, and they've got mark making and ink and stamping and all sorts of fun stuff. And so I'll go through these first. I printed mine back and front, so I'll go through them. This is 1 and 2. I love these colors. 3 and 4, and these aren't necessarily the file numbers, but I'm just showing you all of them. There's 14, 5 and 6. This one's 7 and 8. 9 and 10. I love this black and white contrast, and these colors remind me of sunsets. I don't know. 11 and 12. These are going to be so fun to cut up. 13 and 14. Okay, and then what I did was I took those pages and I made them into half sheets. And so you're getting most of the pages that you just saw on these half sheets. And this is so I can make the mini journal. And I printed mine front and back. So you get this page and this page. And then this one and this one. And you can put whatever you want on the front and whatever you want on the back. I just lined them up this way. And then this and this. So if you cut them, and I'm going to cut off the white obviously, but you cut them here, and then we'll stack them and make, you know, a journal this size like we normally do. And then I've given you some other sheets that we can tear up, but you can use book page. So this is like a newsprint page, and these are only printed on one side. There's 2 grid sheets. There's this black and white, which is going to come in useful. And then there's 2 pages of words, one with black on white and one with white on black. And the white on black is really fun to cut out and put on the colorful background. So that's why I gave you those as well. Then we have all these fussy cut pages. So these are scans of actual cuts that I did. So I did all these drawings and fussy cuts. Okay, and then I put them on my scanner bed and I scan them for you guys so you can have some fun pieces you can cut out. But we're also going to do some very simple art techniques where we're going to draw, and, you know, kind of do all this stuff. And if you do mark making and art journaling, then you know all this. But if you're new, you may have seen this stuff and wanted to try it, and maybe it's a little intimidating, but, you know, you're not sure how to do what you want to do. So I'm giving you all these pages. These have some mushrooms and flowers. I did a little handwriting just to kind of give you an idea of some stuff that you can do. And just some flowers and leaves, very organic shapes. Anybody can draw these, and I do mean anybody that's out there that can, you know, hold a pen with your mouth, with your feet, with your hands. You can do it. All right, so that's what's in the kit this month. It's a lot of pages. The free kit is, the link is listed in the description box below. So go ahead and grab it now. It's free throughout the entire month of June. And if you're interested in any of the previous months, those are all over on the website, and you can go ahead and grab them. Those links are also below. I'll just kind of link you to that list, and then you can grab the other months if you're looking for them. But this month is June. We're going to have a lot of fun exploring art journaling and doodling and, you know, mixed media techniques. So I hope it's going to be a lot of fun for you guys. All right, so that's it. That's the spiel. Stay tuned for the make videos coming up, the process videos in the coming month. And if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed and you want to know when a new video comes out, just go ahead and hit subscribe right now and hit that bell so you get the notifications. And, you know, it helps the channel grow. So it helps me to make new videos for you guys and to share it out to other people who want to kind of go on this creative journey. So I do hope you'll check it out. Lots of colorful fun this month. Thanks for playing along, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.